Assalamu alaikum, my dear grade 5 students. It's your English teacher, Ma'am Bushra here. Open your English practice book and let's start our today's class. Open your English practice books. Open page number 7. Page number 7, we have started a comprehension passage which was about best friend blues, and we have read that there were two friends. One was Alexa and the other was Brittany, and although they were good friends, they used to hang out almost every day after school, but sometimes they used to fight on an argument that which game they should play. Okay, they were not compromising with each other, and there was always a tussle between them in picking the game for playing, okay, in choosing the game to be played. So we have read that Alexa and Brittany had a fight. Brittany wanted to play saucer and Alexa wanted to play on equipment. So this was a tussle between them. They couldn't decide, they couldn't agree on one game, so they were upset, okay. And Alexa was having Brittany's notebook and she decided that she will not give it back to her. So we have read till there. Today we are starting from the next para, from this line, okay. The next day at school, their teacher asked for their notebooks, okay, just like your teachers ask for notebook on the very next day, and they ask you that have you finished your assignment, have you finished your homework, and just bring your notebooks to me. So same, the teacher asked them to bring the notebooks. Brittany didn't have hers and asked Mrs. Stone if she could bring it in tomorrow instead. Brittany's notebook was with Alexa. Brittany was not having her notebook, so she asked her teacher, whose name was Mrs. Stone. So she asked Mrs. Stone that could she bring it tomorrow. Brittany looked upset and walked quietly back to her desk. Brittany was quite upset because she was not having her notebook, so she just went back to her seat and she was very sad, very gloomy. Alexa was having an internal conflict. Conflict means fight, okay. Alexa was having an internal conflict. She knew she should tell Mrs. Stone that she had the notebook, but she was still mad at Brittany for not compromising with her at the park yesterday. Alexa knew that she should go and she should tell Mrs. Stone, the teacher, that she is having the notebook, but she was still angry. She was still angry with Brittany because they were having a tussle yesterday, and she was angry that Brittany is not having any compromising nature. She is not compromising. She never compromised with me. So she decided that I should not tell Mrs. Stone. But later on, when it was time for lunch, Alexa hung back to talk with Mrs. Stone. But later on at lunchtime, Alexa realized that she should discuss this issue with her teacher, Mrs. Stone. So in the lunchtime, in the break time, she went to Mrs. Stone and she talked to her. Mrs. Stone, I have Brittany's notebook. Okay, she told the teacher that she is having the notebook of Brittany. I should have said something earlier, but okay, this is Brittany, okay, it's a misprint over here. It's a misprint. You have to write Brittany here. But Brittany and I had a problem yesterday and I am still mad at her. She told Mrs. Stone that I'm having Brittany's notebook and I should tell it earlier, but I was very upset and I was very angry that I didn't tell earlier. Would you be able to help us solve our problem? Alexa asked. And then Alexa asked for teacher's help, that please solve our issue, solve our problem. Thank you for being honest, Alexa. The teacher appreciated her for her honesty, that you are an honest girl, you told me, and I appreciate your honesty, your loyalty. I'm sure Brittany will appreciate that you gave me her notebook when you could have made her get another late mark instead. And then she told Alexa, the teacher told Alexa that Brittany too will be very happy and she will appreciate you that you told me in time. Otherwise, if she could not bring it tomorrow even, I would mark later. I will mark her late. Okay? I am glad you asked for help solving the problem. And Mrs. Stone was happy that Alexa asked her help in solving the problem, because sometimes we cannot solve our problems. We need the elder ones to come and solve the issue. It's really hard to solve a problem by yourself. It is hard to solve a problem by yourself when you are still feeling upset. So this is a good solution. When you are upset and you are angry and you are sad, you are gloomy, how can you solve your problem? Okay? Obviously, you will need someone else who just interfere in your matter and he or she just solve your problem. Okay? So Mrs. Stone, she appreciated Alexa that you asked me for help and now I will solve it. During lunch break, Mrs. Stone sat and talked with the girls. Okay, in the lunch time, in the free time, they sat and they talked. They each revealed that they get frustrated with the other person a lot because they don't always want to do the same things, but they realized that they never really solve their problem. Revealed means to expose. Okay, they expose to the teacher that they get frustrated. Frustrated means annoyed. Okay, they get annoyed, they get frustrated with the other person because they never agree on one game. Okay, they always don't want to play the same game. There is always issue in them. And the other thing, they never solve this problem of theirs. Although they are friends from a very long time, but they never solve this problem, that why they can't be agreed on one game. Okay, one of them just always went home. At the end, one just leave and then went home. Mrs. Stone helped them realize that maybe they didn't have to play together every day to be best friends. Mrs. Stone, she made her realize that for being best friends, this is not necessary to play games every day. This is not necessary for being best friends. Okay, in order to be a best friend or to be a good friend, you don't need to play daily. Okay, they decided to just play together a couple of times a week and take turns picking the activity. And then they decided that they will play twice a week, couple of times a week, and they will take turns picking the activity. Like one day Alexa will decide that which game they will play, and on the other day Brittany will decide which game to play. Okay, so there will be no issue in them, there will be no tussle between them. Alexa and Brittany were hopeful that this would solve a lot of the arguments they would been having lately. And finally, Alexa and Brittany were hopeful and they were happy that now they will not be having the same arguments which they were having earlier. This time they will be happy and they will not fight again. Understand? So this passage was about best friend blues, and same we should also excuse me, we should also compromise with our friends. Okay, we should not make a single thing a big issue. We should compromise, we should take turns in picking the favorite activity or what games to be played. Understand? Moreover, if there is an issue and if there is a problem between two friends, they should consult an elder one. They might be the parents, they might be their elder siblings, or they might be their teacher, and they should discuss with her and they will help them to solve the problem. Understand? I hope you would have enjoyed this comprehension passage. We will do the exercise work in our next class. Your homework task is that you have to read the passage, this comprehension passage, Best Friend Blues, and you have to underline the difficult words. You have to write the meanings on the top of the words by consulting a dictionary. Okay, you all should have a dictionary. If you don't have, buy one for yourself and find the meanings of the difficult words in the dictionary, write it on the difficult words and read the passage. It's enough for today. Take care of yourself and those around you. Allah Hafiz.